starting on the 13th of April 2023, it is the Khmer, or the Cambodian, and also the Thai New Year. This is the biggest holiday of the year for the citizens of this country. You could say it's similar to Chinese New Year, it's similar to the Christmas break in other countries, for example, what I celebrate. It is a water splashing festival, and many people will have like a 5 or 6 day holiday. For example, in Thailand, I think the holiday would start on 13th and go all the way up to the 19th and then back to work on the 20th. This video, what I'm showing you in the background, is what happened in Siem Reap, Cambodia a long time ago. This is when my intrepid explorer, my beautiful girlfriend Sophie, went out and got actually very wet in Siem Reap. It's lots of fun, but it can be a pain in the backside as well. If you don't like it, don't come to Cambodia or Thailand in the next couple of weeks. If you don't know about it, then be prepared. And let me explain the do's and basically the don'ts. If you think this is a horrible holiday and you just don't want to get wet or join in the celebrations, then basically during the afternoon and the evening, I would say just stay in your hotel, because even if you don't want to get splashed, you will get splashed. Usually people who are like 70 or 80 years old, they won't, because out of respect in both countries, in Thailand and here. If you do want to join in the fun, there's so many different areas. Bangkok, for example, you can go along the big street of Sukhumvit and there's a big water fight there. You can go down to Khao San Road and there's another water fight there that seems to last for 4 or 5 days. You can come here to Siem Reap in Cambodia. In the morning, usually okay, you can get things done, but starting in the afternoon it becomes a bit wilder as it cools down. Then in the late evening and into the night, you can see again from the celebrations I'm showing you here, you can get rather wet. Again, if you don't want to join in, just stay at home for those periods. If you booked your holiday already to Thailand or Cambodia on these dates, well, go with the flow, let it go, just enjoy. You will actually have a lot of fun. And if it's your first time, it's really crazy. If it's your second or third time, you enjoy it, it's fine. If not, well, you should have known by now not to book the hotel or book your holiday at that period or this period of time.
Lóc lên. Đi đâu bạn? Lóc. Camera nữa mà lóc lên.
Hello.
The supermarkets will be open, but they may close a little bit earlier. All the bars and most of the restaurants may be open as well. Some of them may close, but it's a busy tourist or holiday time, so if they want to make money, they would usually stay open. ATMs will be there, the banks will be closed, the offices will be closed. Some shops, for example, my pet shop where I buy all my cat's food from, will be closed. So if you are, make sure you stock up and you have everything there. One thing which happened to me a couple of years ago is that I ran out of gas for my cooker, and it was a nightmare trying to find gas. So if you are living here, make sure you do stock up with, just go and check that you have enough gas for your cooker. If you do cook at home, but it's no problem, you can go to a restaurant, get your food, but in the evening when you go to the restaurant, you're most probably going to get soaked. An umbrella is not going to be very helpful, but it does actually cool the whole place down, which is a lot of fun. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is SongKran, the Thai and Khmer New Year. It does happen in other countries, like in the southern part of China. It does happen. It happens in the the northern part of Malaysia and some small parts of Vietnam as well. It's just a holiday. It's just very different. And I hope that you do enjoy yourself if you are visiting, or it's your first year in Cambodia or Thailand, whatever. It's just a great experience, and go with the flow. Don't get mad. Don't wear a jacket and tie. It's just a vest, a t-shirt, shorts, some slippers. Do wear slippers, sun cream, and maybe some protection for your eye, just like a pair of sunglasses will be fine. The money, just bring some cash. Don't bring any credit cards. Put it all in plastic, and your phone, if you really need to bring your phone, then make sure it's in plastic as well, so it doesn't get damaged or whatever. My name is James. This is the James N. Cooper Show. I hope you found that useful. Bye-bye for now.